They enjoy the complete fruit of the nature or the relations. Here the soul takes 8 births, 150 years, whereas here the soul takes 12 births in the same period of 1250 years. Because the soul came into the relation of 5 elements, naturally its quality keeps deteriorating. But here also there is no unhappiness, so both together is called heaven. Satyug and Tretayug, 1250 plus 1000, 2500 years is considered as the heaven. Heaven, or Christians call it as paradise, whereas Muslims call it as Jannat. And Muslims say, Allah आकर कब्र दाखिल लोगों को जगाए जन्नत में ले जाते हैं. माना God comes and who are like living but dead, without happiness, who are living, he will enlighten them and take them to heaven. In the same manner, in Christianity they told 3000 years back there was paradise on this earth. So it is this Satyug and Treta Yuga. And then one big earthquake happens and deities forget that they are bodies. They come into soul consciousness to body consciousness. So they start forgetting that they are soul. So the 5 vices starts entering: lust, anger, greed, attachment, ego. So they feel the discomfort or unhappiness. So they search for God. But starting, they only worship Shivaling. Whereas, because Shivaling means it's incorporeal point of light who doesn't enter into birth and death cycle. Ajanma, Ashariri, Abhukta, Akarta, who doesn't enter into birth and death, who doesn't take the taste of the food. Akarta, who doesn't do good karmas and take the fruit, do bad karmas and undergo punishment. He always does only one thing. When the creation becomes impure, he makes it pure. And as the time passes, we forget that we are souls and Supreme Soul is incorporeal point of light. We start worshipping our own idols. There only we have written Upanishads, Mahabharat, Bhagavat, and Ramayana. So these are all stories we have written. So many scriptures. At the same time, we started constructing temples and doing lot of puja, etc. And 2 mistakes we did. The God is omnipresent, we said, which is not right. God is not everywhere. He dwells in Paramdham. His name is Shiva. His form is point of light. And what is the difference between a soul and supreme is we come into birth and death cycle. He doesn't come. All that we forget. Second thing we said, Lord Krishna is the giver of Bhagavad Gita. But giver of Bhagavad Gita is Lord Shiva, which now we are listening. By listening to this, the Brahma Baba, who followed it exactly, becomes Krishna and takes birth in heaven. So instead of putting father's name in Bhagavad Gita, they put child's name. That mistake has happened because Hindus did one mistake of keeping Krishna as God. The other religions like Sikhism, they put Guru Nanak as their guru. Christians put Christ as their guru, and Muslims. But everybody said, I am not God, I am child of God. Christ said. Whereas Guru Nanak said he is the form of peace. Buddha said Guru Nanak said he is the form of light. Buddha said he is the form of peace. So, and Muslims say Allah Noor means he is the point of light. So every religion indicated he is up and he is a form of point of light. But still, everybody started remembering another human body, because of which bhakti also increased and vices also increased, and the deterioration has progressed. So here we take 21 births. Here there is unhappiness in birth also, death also, and in the life also. So from here we started accumulating sinful account because we came into body consciousness. Here it is 8 celestial. After this we enter Kali Yuga. it is completely chaotic, where we forgot everything, that I am a soul, my father is supreme soul, he is a point of light. We started worshipping trees, stones, whatever we come across, we started worshipping them, and we forgot completely the form of the God, and thinking that the body itself is everything. We started reproduction with bodily attraction, touching each other's body. Body is not permanent actually, soul is the one. So instead of having the divine insight of soul, we came into the contact of bodies. So the intellect has started losing its efficiency. So whole day if we work only we get food, otherwise we don't get food. But in Satyug, the nature was giving everything to us because us souls are very pure. But here impurity. So how much ever you work, the only thing you get is to satisfy your stomach. So much hard work is needed in study also, having so many subjects, physics, maths, chemistry. There was not even one subject which gives burden to the mind or brain. So, not only that, only 5 vices are ruling the world: lust, anger, greed, attachment. So, during such time, and here, sudden deaths started happening, accidental deaths, and deaths due to diseases because sinful account increased. So, to cancel the bad debt, so many births, because there is pain in death also, pain in birth also. It is like Garbh jail, it's the prison, because in Malmutra ke beech, in between the shit, the fetus has to sit, which is congested, and it's very difficult for the kid until he comes out. Even after coming out, putting vaccines, that this, and sending them to school with lot of weight, they have no happiness in any stage, either in the childhood or younger stage or old age also. So during such time, here we worship and we dip them in water. The idols, we throw them in water. So there is no meaning in bhakti also. Temples, bhakti is increasing. Unhappiness is also increasing. Sin also is increasing. During such time, here we take 42 births. So taking so many births, accidental deaths are also a result of the pap karma. So during such time, Shiv Baba enters Brahma's body and he speaks out the knowledge. Whoever listens this knowledge, they are becoming deities again and going back. Who are not acquiring this knowledge, they are undertaking punishments and getting purified. And who are able to remember and get purified, they are going without punishment to Paramdham. So here 8 births, 12 births, 21 births, 42 births, total 83 births. The moment we came across to recognize God Shiva, that is our 84th birth. Now we are in 84th, last birth. This birth, how much ever we put our effort to become pure, that will help us in the next 2 ages. This is the story of 84 births. So instead of celebrating Laukik birthday, we should celebrate the day which we took this course. Om Shanti.